Hello everyone, it's Dr. Gupta at the Dermatology Laser and Vein Center, and I'm just going to share a few procedures with you that help you get more beautiful, healthier looking breasts. So some of the top procedures that patients request are treatments. Sometimes you get a little sun damage even to your décolleté going over onto your chest and breast area. So we can do laser procedures such as BBL laser or even Fraxel laser to help improve the texture of the skin. Some patients get stretch marks on their breasts, and for that, again, lasers like profractional, Fraxel, microneedling, even RF microneedling, all of these can really greatly help improve the quality and texture and appearance of the skin. We can also add exosomes or use PRP along with those procedures to give better healing and more improvement to the results. You can also have procedures where we inject the PRP into the skin itself, and that acts like a stimulant and it helps to promote new collagen growth. You may have heard of the term vampire breast lift. That's what it refers to, is the use of injectables like PRP to help volumize the breast and give you just a nice subtle enhancement, improvement, and make the skin more supple. And then we can also do procedures like Sculptra. We have been doing a lot of Sculptra butt enhancements, and patients absolutely love it. It's a great procedure. We use the micro cannula, so you don't really even get much bruising from it. But that same kind of procedure can be done in the breast area as well. And of course, everybody's a little different because it depends on where we're starting and what the condition of the tissue is, how much sagging there is, how much fat there is, how much volume has been lost. So we have to explore and look at everything to come up with the right plan for you. At our office, we of course also do offer the surgical approaches, including implants, breast reductions, breast lifts. So that is also an option. And then we have some minimally invasive procedures such as the Thermi breast lift. If somebody doesn't actually want to have surgery, that will help to tighten the skin in a more non-surgical way. And actually, we also do quite a bit of liposuction to the breast, which a lot of patients aren't aware that can even be done. But especially if the breasts have a lot of fatty tissue, we can remove that fat and the skin shrinks up and tightens up very nicely. And especially women who are struggling with having so much weight in their chest that it's actually causing indentions in their shoulders even, and back issues and pain. This can be just a life-changing procedure that does not involve surgical scars, and we can do it in the office under just local numbing. So let us know how we can help. We are here to help you be your best and feel your best and look your best. Thank you so much.